Stay cool. This is a Thor News presentation. Hit the button, baby. Thor News presents. West Coast, be careful. East Coast, be careful. Because you guys are getting a double moisture penetration on both coasts. Taking it, coming and going. That's crazy, though. So that's pulling straight into there, and then bringing it back down. You guys are in for a walloping, man. And then here, this is all pulling straight into there, right in there. So you guys are all in for a walloping. Now, I haven't checked out many news reports lately, but I do know from most indicators the Northeast is undergoing a ice, rain, snow mix all along the coast, with this moisture being pulled down through here like this which I do believe I mentioned would happen 2 weeks ago. Sweet. 2 points for Thor News. Alright, and I saw someone mention something about rain in California, and looking at here, the wind wall has moved, and now it looks like it's guiding all the wind and moisture into California, almost straight into the San Francisco region. So be safe, Cali, because one day I'd like to be going back to Cali. Going back to Cali. Yeah, I think so. Not to live, just to visit. Now let's look at total cloud water to get an idea of how much moisture we're talking about. Okay, quite a bit. We got our little doggy dragon head down here. Hello, doggy dragon head. Yeah, so we got a ton of water over the very northeast of the United States Atlantic coast. We've got a doggy dragon sauntering through Mexico, Texas, and into Oklahoma. And then over here, we've got pure and utter wackiness with our giant swirly that is tight, and then our giant anti-swirly, which is not tight, very loose. And then in this very active region, Alaska-ish, I guess. My geography sucks. Geology. Okay, wait. I don't know what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, check out this shape right here, though. Notice these jaggedy line steps. We love those, because they're so strange. If you kind of move it, you can kind of get the shape of that, though. And yeah, going on down here, that's wacky. Look at this wing. Bling bling. It looks like it could kind of stretch across, like connect up here. I know, let's check. Okay, so that's total cloud water. Total precipitable water. And yes, looks like, oh wow, it's almost like all the Fukushima water is being funneled straight into California. That's crazy. Here, let's check out. Currents would say no, but isn't it odd that the current hotspots are here and here? Alright, we're now looking at total precipitable water again. And so we've got this wing curvature pretty much pumping the moisture straight into the upper northeast. Our wind wall has now formed a water slide into the San Francisco, California, Los Angeles, Malibu, Santa Barbara area. It's always so calm at the equator. There's a giant, almost looks like a Viking ship. Right. Everybody loves a misery index. For some reason, Texas is being spared from the cold. Once again, we have this cold air, and everything makes everything cold, really. And then you've got all the hot air meeting it, and they have a gang fight. Because when you're a jet stream, you're a jet stream all day. Because when you're a jet stream, you're a jet stream all day. Thor News Weird Weather Watch, the musical. But look at these. See, there's our anti-swirly. They're like giant gears. Wind gears. What is this thing? That thing's crazy looking. Yeah, did you see that? Wow, that's relative humidity. And that is the patchworkiest I've ever seen it. God's honest truth, y'all. Here we get our beautiful magical steps. That is incredible. Yeah, I don't ever remember seeing it like that. Ever. Yeah, look at it. It's like a giant freaking humidity wall. Wow, look at right there. There's relatively no humidity there. Oh no. Alright, let's check out the sun then. Sun's still freaking out. Still got the giant Superman cape. Whoa. Yeah, so it's swirling around, man. Right in there. It's all right there. West Coast. Yeah, it looks like you could be getting thumped as well. And from the video I did, these are our 3 6s, man. 1, 2, 3, I do believe. Can't confirm or deny, though. Yeah. This is water vapor. Now, there's no water vapor there. See, it's all going right into... And that still looks a few days away from the real kick in the ass. Check out this jet stream. What is going on with you? Jet stream has been acting as crazy as the sun. Isn't that crazy? No, that is totally normal. Yeah, man, that is nutty. That is nutty jet stream action. How many rivers look like that? Islands in the jet stream. That is what we are. We rely on each other. See, what happened was we have our ice and hitch, and the ice unhitch apparently turned February 7th, I guess would be the unhitching. It turned Earth's rotation from a lemon into a grapefruit. That's official Thor News science. You can take that to the bank. They won't cash it though. Now here's weird. This is the sun's radio flux, I believe. I could be totally wrong. But if you look, notice how the sun's radio flux drops to like absolute negatives. And I guess that's not totally abnormal because my radio in my car does that all the time. It just drops into like negative, oh my god, how does music get this bad range? What happened to music, man? Alright, yep, we've still got a lot of magnetic loopy action going on. They're kind of like, magnetic loops are like solar weeds, man. And the sun's growing a lot of solar weeds, man. Dark matter filament weeds. So, West Coast, be careful. East Coast, be careful. Because you guys are getting a double moisture penetration on both coasts. Taking it, coming and going. That's crazy, though. I had so much to say, but no way to say it. So much to say, but no way to say it.